The 1962 Burmese coup dated on 2 March 1962 marked the beginning of one-party rule and the political dominance of the army in Burma, which spanned the course of 26 years. In the coup, the military replaced the civilian AFPFL government, headed by Prime Minister U Nu, with the Union Revolutionary Council, chaired by General Ne Win. In the first 12 years following the coup, the country was ruled under martial law and saw a significant expansion in the military's role in the national economy, politics, and state bureaucracy. Following the Constitution of 1974, the Revolutionary Council handed over power to the elected government, consisting of a single party, the Burma Socialist Program Party, which had been founded by the council in 1962. The elected government remained hybrid between civilian and military until 18 September 1988, when the military again took over power as the State Law and Order Restoration Council following the nationwide 88 uprising and virtual breakdown of the socialist regime. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.